Hi students, welcome to the Yupp Master Foundation program. Today we are going to take the interesting topic on measurements of different physical quantities. At your early stage that you are learning the measurement of different physical quantities by doing some activities. It's very clear. I hope so in your science you are having that measurement of different objects by using the different instruments are there. So especially you are going to get that in physical science you need to do the experiments with some instruments. Yeah, right. Okay, if you are going to given a task to measure the length and breadth of a one cardboard, you can use that meter scale. Yeah, suppose if you have given that field, if you have given that open field, so you are going to take that yards, you are going to take the different measurements. Depending on the size of the object, we will take that. All right. Now you can take that. Just you can take that system of units for the measurement of physical quantities. All right. It is very clear that you are going to learn about physical quantity. You know what is physical quantity? Yeah, you are going to take that physical quantity. Yes, if you are going to take that physical quantity means measurable quantity. What is measurable quantity? If you are going to take that length, breadth, if you are going to take area also. So if you are taking that physical means, what about that word physical, which is having some appearance due to its size and shape. So if you are going to take that physical quantity is known as measurable quantity. Quantity. Yeah, right. We can able to get that measurement. Suppose if you are going to take that, this is you can measure that this is a one object. So this is a one object. So this is regular. You can take that this is a regular. This is irregular. Can you measure this one? Is it possible with your efforts? By using the thread also it is very difficult to get that measurement of this object. Now you can take that this is irregular. You can measure that area. You can measure the area easily. You will find out that area. It is going to be taking. Yes, you will take that. You will take that A and B. Just you can measure. Suppose if you are going to take that, it is not measurable. Now if you are going to look into that units, if you are going to express that area, what you can express that unit, just you can take that. What is unit? Unit, it is a standard quantity to represent that one physical quantity. Just you are going to express that area in terms of centimeter square or meter square. Yes. So system of units for that you have to consider in one particular system that we are following. Right. Let's go for another one, measurement analysis. Yeah, I have seen that this is very clear. Yes, with the help of tape, measuring tape, we are using to measure the length. We are going to measure the length, measurement of length. Yes, that is in centimeters. that is in centimeters. All right. So if you are going to take that, its length is going to be measured expressed in unit, that is length L is equal to N U. What about N into U? Just you will take that, this is NU I have taken. I am going to express that total length of this fork, just you can write down. Yeah, what is N, what is U? Just N is that value, N represent value. What about U? U represent the unit. Yes, you represent the unit. If you want to express that one quantity in terms of desired units, you need to specify, that is one physical quantity is equal to N into U. Suppose if you are going to the shop, just you can ask that you are going to get the sugar. How you can ask that? In terms of grams or in terms of kg, all right, it's very clear. But otherwise you cannot get that quantity. If you ask that give me some amount of sugar, he won't give now, but he will ask you how much, that quantity represent how much. In order to represent the quantity, you need some unit. Yes, grams, kg, the quantity, it is going to be represented in terms of different units. So you can ask that, can you get that 1 kg gold from the shop? That gold, it is going to be precious and valuable. So you will take that in the measurement of grams. Simply you will ask in grams. Yeah, sometimes you will get that mass is in terms of kg or grams. You can take that grams. Easily you will find out that is in terms of kg or in terms of grams. All right. Here we are going to take that length. Yeah, it is very clear. If you are taking that, yeah, suppose, yeah, fork is 20 centimeter long. All right. Yes, it's going to be 20 centimeter. What you are going to get that? How you can express? Let's see. Yeah, yeah, fork length is 20 centimeter. How you will represent? Yes, if we are going to take that length, that is equal to N U, that is 20. What about U? Centimeter. Just you can take that cm, that gives that unit centimeter. Very clear, you can get this one. Now if you are going to take that length, its symbol, it is going to be L. Mass, we are going to take that M T. Yes, this is time, mass, length. I am asking you one question. If you are going to measure that length, area, length into breadth. So if it is a regular body, you can measure. Otherwise what happened? It is irregular like amoeba. Can you measure? So what can you say about all measurable quantities are known as physical quantities. So the name implies physical, does it have size and shape? Whether it is irregular, you can measure it. Very clear. Now you are going to take that 20 centimeter. At the same time, you can express in terms of meters also, in terms of millimeters also. But we are going to have that conversion. Very simple. That is 1 centimeter. Just you can take that measurement. It's very clear. How you will express in terms of meters? You know, 100. Just you will take that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Yes, you will write down just 10 power 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 10 square meter. That is, you can write down 20 into 1 by 10 square meter. So you will write down as 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter. All right. It is very clear. Later we will discuss how you will convert. Suppose if you are asking that 1000 grams of the sugar, that is equal to 1 kg. Indifferently you are asking that can you give that 1000 grams of sugar at the shop. The shopkeeper is going to surprise, no? Why you was indifferently asking that, no? That's what, if you wants to express that value in any unit, its magnitude is same. You have, if you took 1 kg sugar, if you took 1000 grams sugar, is there any difference in the quantity? So there is no difference at all. That's what you can get this magnitude of the quantity is same. You have been expressed in any system, all right. Let's go for another one, right. You can take that, there are most common measurements. You will take that millimeter, centimeters, just you will take that meters, you will take that meters and kilometers. So millimeter, hair, if you are going to take that hair, thickness of hair, you will take that 2 mm, 1 mm. Yes, centimeter, if you are going to take that length of pencil is going to be measured, it is about 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters, depending on its length. Meters, just you will take that meter. If you are going to buy the cloth, just it was in terms of meters. If you are purchasing that cloth, your father is going to have that one event to purchase that cloths from the cloth merchant. So he used to give that in terms of meter. Kilometers, do you have the very good experience? You are having a long journey. At the time you are going to identify, you are traveling in the car, that car has that speed is in kilometer per hour. It was expressed in kilometer. Simply the distance between your house and your friend's house is going to be in kilometer. Maybe he was living apart from 1 or 2 kilometers. Just the distance is expressed in terms of kilometer. Long distance, it is going to be getting long distance. All right. Right. Now let's go for another one. Yeah, you can take this, is very simple. We are getting that measuring tape. By using this measuring tape, we can measure the length. We are all about that length, measuring that. 2 tape measurements, one is in mm, another one is in centimeter. Just have a look. This is, if you are going to take that, please identify this. Yeah, from here you can take that. You can identify that. If you are taking that mm and centimeter, just do you know 10 mm is equal to, just you will take that 1 centimeter. 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Just you have to take that, the 10 lines, you are going to get that 10 lines are marked by between these two. Just you will get this one. Like that you can get this representation. Easily you will take that. You can use that. Accurately, if you want to measure, you can use that vernier calipers, screw gauge. If you want to measure the thickness of thin wire, you want to measure the radius of the wire. Easily, length is measured with the help of tape. It's very clear. Suppose you have taken that, this is a one wire, that is its length is measured, and its top, it is going to be in this form. You will measure that radius also by getting that diameter, easily you can identify this, right? Let's go for another one. Yes, hand span and cubit. Yeah, you are going to use the organs, different organs, just for the measurement purpose. In olden days, the people are going to say with the different organs, they are going to convey in the traditional system, right? So, cubit, right, just they have taken 1 foot. Yes, if you are going to take that, yes, measure, these are all these, just you will take that, yes, you will take that 1 cubit to measure that. Simply we are going to take that, this by using the hand span, we measure that a little bit. Foot, just you will take that, yeah, you are going to take that 1 foot, it's going to be 12 centimeter, right? 1 add is equal to 3 foot, just you will get that 3 foot dashed, that is 3 into 12 centimeter, that is 36 centimeter. Just you are going to get, if you are going to get that 1 yard, let's see, yeah, if you are going to take that, in any way, it's going to get that 36 centimeter, if you are going to get all, right? So, this is 1 add. Yes, you can easily represent. Let's go for another one. So, do you know length we are going to measure? Simple task, easily you will identify that. Why? You can take the object and you will put it on measurement instruments. Just you take that measurement instrument, tape, or one end is going to have that value, another end is going to reach that. So, you should take the total length, that is the measurement value easily. Now, let us see that. Do you know motion? Yes, it's very clear. Yeah. How you can say the body which is in motion? Yes. So, at time, it's going to be time. It is going to be position. All right. So, at time t is equal to 0 second, or let us take that 1 second, right, 1 second, it is there. If you are going to take that time t is equal to 2 second, it is at a particular, do you know how to measure the length? All right, this is at t is equal to 0 second. Just you have to confirm, I am going to measure the time. At the same time, you are going to identify that distance covered. Do you know how to measure that length? It is nothing but distance covered. So, we will take that time 2 seconds. Here, time is going to be, yes, 3 seconds. Okay, all right. How you can say that time is changing and distance covered by the body is also changes? Let's see. Yes, right. If you are going to take that 1 second, 2 seconds, yes, it has traveled that total distance. That is, you can write down, yeah, just you will take that final position and initial position. Yes, you know the distance travelled, that is, you can confirm. So, what can you observe that from this task? Yeah, initially if you are going to take that, just you will take that 1 second. Yes, let us see, it is at position. Yes, car has been started. Time is also increases. Time, what happened? It's 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. You can take the measurement of that length or distance, right? Time increases, what happened? If we are going to get that motion, time increases. Time increases. What you have been observed? Time increases, distance covered. Distance covered by car increases. Alright, you have learned the new thing. As the time increases, the distance covered by the body is increases, no doubt at all. Whether the body is in motion, right? Simply, what do you know about that motion? How you will confirm that? The position of the object changes with respect to time. Very simply, it is going to move on, it is going to change its position at t is equal to 1 second here, 2 seconds here, 3 seconds here. That is what I am telling you. What is the difference between the rest and motion? Alright, you will take that rest and motion. It is at, you have to take that rest. What do you mean by rest? No change in position. No change in position. Yes, how you will understand that? While you are crossing the road, while you are going to cross the road, your parents are instructed, stay at one side, not to go, not to reach the another side. You are not supposed to cross, don't cross the road, any object is there moving. Alright, if somebody is going to think like that, one object is, one lorry which is going to be stopped at one place. That boy is thinking, whenever that lorry has been crossed that road, then only he will cross the road. He used to reach that school. But what happened? That it is going to, that vehicle is there only. That boy, he was thinking when it will come back, and then only he will cross the road. He was thinking. But even after 1 hour, 2 hours, it was in the same position. What the boy was going to think? He used to, very simple, yeah, with the instructions you can take that. That boy is going to cross the road. This is a lorry, just you will take that. Just you will take one vehicle. You will take that. This is a car. You can take simply, this is a one car. It is going to be repair. Yes, time is, just you will take that 8:30 a.m. school time. Even at 9:30 a.m. it is going to be same position. Yes, you have to think the concept. We are going to measure the distance and time. Very good. Time increases 8:30 to 9:30. The boy was staying there only. He might be thinking like that as per the instructions given by the parents. If any vehicle is approaching, he used to stop till the vehicle has to cross over him. Like that, very simply. As time increases, what happened? It is in rest position. It is in rest position. But here it has been in motion. Very clear, you have to confirm that. What is the reason it is in the rest position? Means its tire is going to be punctured. So they have been stopped that car on the road. It's very clear. Now you can easily identify that as time increases, the distance covered by the body increases. All right, until it was going to be in the motion. If it is in the rest position, as the time increases, position doesn't change. Very clear. So we have learned measurement of length and time. Very clear. All of you have been measured length and time. So what do you know about this? If you know to measure the length and time, you can easily measure that speed. You ran away the distance that has been covered in time t seconds. Just you can measure that. You can measure the speed of your friend, how he was going to be running. He has seen one car is going to be moving fastly. He will measure that speed, how speed that it was moving. Easily we will find out. If you know that, yes, you will take that speed. Yes. Here you can easily learn that how to measure the physical quantities in different systems. So you can take that length and time, that is in terms of meter and in terms of second. All right. So we have learned that many things. Just we are going to get first one. We have measured the length of an object, which is regular. All right. Next you have learned how to express that length in different system of units. All right. At the same time, you have been seen which is in the rest position and which is in the motion, you have been identified. Very clear. All right. Now you are going to take that at rest position. Time is changes, there is no change in the distance. Okay. It is going to be identified that time increases, but there is no change in the distance. It is at rest position. In this case, it has been traveled a distance, that is, it is measured. All right. We have taken that motion of your body, how you can say it is in motion, how you can measure the speed. We have learned that many things. All right. So if you are keeping that, watching the continuous classes, you are going to get that, you will be happy, you learn new things. That creates very interest. So at your initial stage, you have been learned what is rest and what is motion, how you will express. You can raise the question to somebody else. At the time of asking the doubts, you will learn, you will get the answer from the people. At the same time, you can understand why that car is going to be at rest. If it is rest position, I won't. Why not? I will cross the road. These are all your daily activities. Please should learn many things in your daily life, what I have been conveyed. Have a nice day all.